Hi Madlang Felas! Na-register na ba ang SIM card mo? In this video, ituturo ko po sa inyo how to register your Globe SIM in 3 easy steps. So please keep on watching Madlang Felas. Okay, punta po tayo sa ating browser. Click po natin yung new.globe.com.ph/simreg. Enter po natin yung mobile number na i-register po natin. May marireceive po tayo na OTP for verification of our mobile number. Enter po natin siya. Okay, step 2, provide your info and a government ID. Name, middle name, last name, birthday, nationality, sex, house number, street, village or subdivision, province, city, barangay, and zip code. Click next and next. ID type. So ako, driver license yung gagamitin ko. And take note, maximum 2 MB in JPEG file dapat nakasave yung ID mo. Enter po natin yung ID number. And upload po natin yung ID na nakasave as JPEG and maximum 2 MB lang po. Then click next. Basahin po natin. Pwedeng English or Filipino. Click lang po natin siya. Click po natin yung the box. Then click submit. If may another number, pwede po natin siyang i-register ulit. Last step is step 3. Wait for the text confirmation. And ayan na nga, may text na si Globe na, "Hi, we're happy to inform you that you have successfully registered your prepaid SIM card." Hope may natutunan po kayo sa video natin today. And if yes, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have comments or suggestion, you can comment down below. Malay nyo po, sa susunod na video, yung requested video nyo po ang i-share natin sa iba. Lagi nyo pong tatandaan na kayo po yung nagpapasaya sa akin, kaya hindi po ako magsasawa mag-upload ng video para sa inyo. See you on my next video, Madlang Pilas! Good luck! Don't forget to subscribe!